Previously on Everything's Tay. I have my mom with me. We are traveling. Y'all, already my mama having trouble with the TSA line.
Took my Vaseline, now I'm gonna be ashy.
We're trying to find our terminal.
Yes. Taylor getting us lost.
Well, because of my bad judgment, we missed our flight. And here's what's coming next in this video. We are in West Palm Beach, Florida. Woo! Y'all, my mama got too hot out here. You ready to chow down?
Taking a picture of me.
It's a video.
Hello. Get ready to chow down on this grease.
Okay, guys, so here is a room tour. So this is the bathroom. Looks really nice. I love the ones where, okay, does that have the light? Look, I'm over here being real fancy. Oh yes. It has the light on the mirror and a nice big shower. I about fell, y'all. Y'all didn't see that. Nice big shower. Really nice. Has the closet space, full mirror. Ooh. Then 2 queen beds. So we got a microwave in the room. That's always a plus. Refrigerator. Big TV we're probably not even gonna use.
That's a lie.
Oh. Okay, and here is the view. Besides that building right there, but it's still nice. It's McDonald's across the street.
That is the outlet. You going shopping?
Well, my mama already started tearing up the room, y'all, but y'all get the picture. Y'all, not even 5 minutes ago, my mom was up. She's sleeping now. I don't want her out, and we just got here. Got a Zoomies. Something smells really good.
Hi. Well, we're still in West Palm Beach, Florida.
You say that like it's a bad thing.
No, Taylor just spent my money.
You guys, my mom just invested into my YouTube. Can y'all guess what this is? Leave a comment. Thank you, Mom.
I tell you, I can't never find me anything.
I don't have my microphone. I don't know why I forgot it on this trip again. Y'all, I'm gonna get better, I promise. But I am using a new selfie stick that is holding my phone. And it is like doing a really good job, y'all. Y'all can see us. Y'all not so close up in my face like y'all usually be. Like, you know, I can hold it up and it can actually go further. I'm gonna end up showing y'all what I am recording with so y'all will know. And I'll leave all the information in the description box below so y'all can go check it out. I got it from Amazon. And I think it was a really good buy, ain't it, Mama?
Yes.
We done took some pictures on this thing.
Yes,
Like, it
and
is.
some videos.
Videos. It is doing really, really good. We have another half day in West Palm Beach. And then, what? What's next?
A train
Y'all
ride.
Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and what, Mama?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Mother, if you don't open up that door, you hold it. Just hold it in front of it and move it. Hold, Mama. Put it on there and move it. Move it. Move it.
Shut up.
Oh my goodness, thank you. We would have been dead if somebody was killing us. Trying to kill us. We're going to eat at this crab place. Yeah.
that I have to cut out, but we buy them. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, we are some rappers. Y'all ain't know me and my mama. We on the show. Hey, take it over, mama. What we doing tonight?
I'm going back to the room and go to sleep.
Ooh,
That's what I'm gonna do for me.
ooh, hey.
Hey.
Good morning, my neighbors.
Chef uptight. Let's go get this breakfast real quick. Come on.
Y'all already know I'm gonna put the time step here. We're about to go get our breakfast. I was gonna show y'all. This is the reason. I'm holding my phone right now, but this is the reason. This is my new selfie stick / tripod. So you can put your phone here. You can, you know, turn it and it's sideways. Come on, Mom. We're gonna get food. Ooh. Ooh.
No, I'm not in yours this morning.
Baby got bad. Yeah, we're eating breakfast. I don't really want a lot of stuff, you know, so I can't really see what's up here.
Yeah, you're on video. I think I want a muffin.
Yeah, get a muffin.
So,
I don't care for anything right here.
no fruit?
Nope. There's my daughter getting her fruit for this morning. I'm not too much of a fruit person, so I don't care for any. I need something with bread in it. I just know I'm sleepy. I'm ready to go back to the room. But she has me down here recording her every move. Like I'm supposed to be her back end call.
Look. Do you like your voice?
I like who?
Do you like your voice? Because sometimes when you look back at the video, like, ooh, I don't like my voice. Take me
Well,
out.
good.
All
I'm
right.
fine.
Okay, you good.
I'm the cameraman.
Oh, camera woman. What's the best chef name in West Palm?
Owen Chef Williams.
Okay. And?
It's right here. There's nowhere else. Always come to Hilton Garden Inn.
Almost come to the Hilton Garden Inn?
Yep.
Okay. Y'all have no shout outs?
You ain't got no fans?
We appreciate y'all in the hospitality.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be watching that video.
You should be. It'll be vlog number 2.
Next time you come, we're going to have blueberry muffins.
Please. That's our favorite. We ready for the beach. We ready for the beach. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, let's go. Where you gonna be? Palm trees and beaches.
We're here.
We are here and it is
Hot.
It is hot, but it's a breeze. It's not like, you know, North Carolina where you can't breathe and it's so humid. This is beautiful weather. Would you look at this? Now, he dropped us off at the end. We might have to go walk down some. Come here, Mom. I gotta get some thumbnails. Okay. We here at the beach, y'all. See what the water hitting for. If it's really cold, which, oh, it feels good. And y'all, the water is so clear. about to go back to the hotel room and eat some leftovers that we had for dinner. And then we are off to the train ride, which I still have not told y'all where I'm going. Can y'all leave a comment down below to guess where we are going? We are tired, but it's so pretty out here in West Palm Beach Shores. My mama tired, y'all. She's trying to keep up. She's trying to keep up. But it feels good. It's not too hot, but you know, you feel the sun. And I think I done got me a little tan. You need some water? Oh, it's the sun. Yeah, we only been out here for how long? About an hour. Maybe an hour. That's all we needed. Say bye to the beach.
Bye to the beach.
Oh look, we about to get some shade right here.
Oh yes.
Y'all, I'm loving this selfie stick. It's better than my other tripod that I have. Ooh, look at just the wild snake plants. These are too called snake plants. This is. No, they're just called that because of the texture and how they look. That is cool. I want a snake plant in my house. West Palm, you've been good to us. All right, y'all, I will catch y'all when we are back at the hotel and dressed. See you later. Y'all, my mama got too hot out here. Hey y'all, so let me catch y'all up on what happened. So while we was walking back and waiting on our Uber, of course we had water, but we used it to, you know, get the sand off of our feet, and it was hot out there. So as we was waiting, of course, in the previous clip, I had asked my mom, do she need water? She says no. I'll play that back. You need some water? Oh. Then, well, she goes and sit down, and she was like, Taylor, I'm feeling a little lightheaded. So I'm like, okay, mom, just calm down, you know, breathe. You know, people walking by, and I was kind of asking if they had water, such and such. Eventually, I'm still just waiting on the Uber. I'm like, he's like a couple minutes away, like 3 minutes away. And then all I hear her say is, Taylor, I'm going down. And y'all, she fell to the ground. Kid you not. I was not freaking out. I was just like, okay, mom, like, are you with me? She was still with me. However, she was just kind of out of it, and she got overheated. It's funny now because she's doing okay. Somebody need to start drinking a lot more water.
You can hook up our monitor real quick. Look at your heart rate and everything. Make sure everything's okay there.
Well, I'm going to tell the Uber to just drop us in because it's going to be a while. Okay. They're going to still send the rescue team just to check on her, so you can just drop us. Okay. Thank you.
Let's just take your vital signs and stuff real quick, and then we'll go from there.
I'm going to check their vital signs real quick.
It's hot out here.
We're on vacation from Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
She's okay. Thank you. Y'all. This ain't funny, yo, but it's hot out here, and, you know, y'all getting the goods right now. Y'all are getting all the goods right about now. She don't want to be drinking water like that when I be telling her to. I'm just sit down. I'm glad that they was right around the corner. They just started to come up this way. I just waved them down like, hey, you have water? Like, my mom just needs water. And I try not to get her worked up because, you know, if you work yourself up, you pass out, and it's just not a good state to be in when you're feeling lightheaded. Not to overwork your body, not to freak out, just to breathe and calm down. I just make sure, like, when I have anxiety attacks or anything like that, I just say, okay, I'm alive, I'm breathing, I'm good. My mind is just going crazy, it's going 100,000 miles per hour, I'm good. And usually, you know, I can calm myself down, but you know, We'll see. Cause the scene everywhere we go.
Come on, we got a lot to do. $2.50.